of this dual channel dash camera and everything you need to know about it. The brand did send it to me, and this is what the packaging looks like. Inside the box, you'll find instructions manual, the camera itself. I love that this camera has a pretty large size screen. On the bottom side, it has different menu keys. The top side allows you to connect to the cables. It also comes with this powerful suction cup. In the package, you'll also see a user manual as well as a QR code for extra information. The smaller box, you'll find a bunch of different accessories for the camera, from little sticker clips to the cable for both front and back camera, fabric cloth, a rear camera, a tool to help hide the cable, and last but not least, some clear stickers. It's super easy to install, so let me show you how. Here, my dad is starting off with installing the cable that's going to be used for the front camera and carefully hiding the cable along the rim of the car as shown in these close-up shots. Some really great features about this dash camera is that it has a 4K and a 1080p dual recording, and the GPS can also accurately record driving position and speed of the vehicle. Up next, my dad is installing the cable for the rear camera. I will say I really like that the cable used for the back camera is pretty long, which is really convenient, especially since this is a van and the cable is long enough to reach all the way to the back and still has some extra length to it. Up next, you will need to put the clear stickers to the front windshield and then add the camera on top, turning the knob on the suction cup to hold the camera in place, and then connect all the cables. Likewise, repeat the same steps for the rear camera as well. First, attaching the clear sticker, then adding the camera, and lastly, you can also opt to add these hook holders to keep the cable in place. And once everything is done, you'll first need to turn on the car. Using the menu from the bottom side, you'll be able to change the time and date settings. You can also adjust the mounting bracket to help with the camera angle. This is also the time to install the app using the QR code located in the user menu and connect to the camera. The app is really great as it helps you save videos. You can view the loop and emergency recordings and many more other functions as well, such as the compass and the speed of the vehicle, which is really convenient. And here's what the final product looks like. I love that you can view what the camera sees in real time on your iPhone. The 4K camera captures great detail, clarity, and wide field view. And this is what the image looks like from the back camera as well. Based on your preferences, you can also opt to add dual screens on the dash camera. Overall, this is a great product for your car, and I highly recommend it.